Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Great, so for the good greens, I've got my greens, so about 300 grams of, this was some rainbow chard, and I've just steamed that, or actually boiled it in just like 1 centimetre of salted water for about 2 minutes. But you could use any cooked greens or green veggies that you like for this. And you could actually, I'm actually going to serve this cold because it's summer, but if you wanted to use the greens as soon as you've steamed them, then that's would make more sense when it's a bit cooler. So I'm just going to season the greens with a teaspoon of soy sauce. So you could use 1 to 2 teaspoons if you like things really salty, but we've got feta and olives in this as well, so just a little bit, but the soy sauce is really great for just seasoning the greens and giving them a bit of extra flavour. And so then we'll get our feta in, so just a couple of handfuls of kind of roughly chopped feta and a handful of chopped olives. Save a couple for serving. And then we're going to finish with pesto, so we want 2 or 3 like really generous tablespoons to make it more substantial and super delicious. And we'll finish with some olives on top, and that's our good greens. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.